Hey guys, I'm back with my cooking segment, and today I'm gonna be making a dish called AYAMASE. It's basically like a fada stew basically, so it's called a fada stew, but we also call it AYAMASE or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be making today with white rice. So yeah, come along this journey. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and like the video and share the video and turn on post notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know when I upload a video. Right, let's get right into it. Let's go. Right, so I've got my rice in here. So I've got basmati rice. Is a cook, and all I do is rinse it. I've already washed my hands, so I just rinse it like I did in my last cooking video. So that's all I do. Like I said, I do this 3 times. As you can remember, I do this 3 times just to get rid of like everything and all that. I do that. Get rid of all the water. This time around, I'm actually going to be preparing the rice in a rice cooker. This is just the white rice and everything, so I'm just going to prepare it in there. Right guys, so I've got my rice in the rice cooker and everything, so that's just going to start cooking and all of that. So I'm going to cover it and cook, and I'm just going to quickly get onto the stew, AYAMASE stew and everything. Right guys, so in this part I've got oil and palm oil. You guys might not know what that is, but it's basically this. That's what it is. It is Mother Africa palm oil with oil. So that's what I've mixed in here, and I put some onions inside. And so I've got over here, I've got the little pepper and everything. So it's basically green pepper. That's all I added, and I added rodo inside it as well. And rodo is basically hot pepper basically. And I blended everything together, and it's literally just that in there. That's all I blended in there, and that's going to go into the pot obviously and make the sauce and everything. So yes, good. So yeah, that's all I do, and then I leave it to literally simmer and everything, for everything to simmer up. I think I might put a little bit more oil inside because it doesn't look like it has that much, so I might just add a little bit. So yeah, and then mix it all again, and then that's it. So yeah, we'll check up on it in the next like a few minutes. So yeah, right guys, so that's simmered for a bit. So I'm just going to put in the Maggi cubes that I put in last time, if you guys can remember. I just put 2 of that, and then I'm just going to put in some salt, and then I'm also going to get some curry powder. I'm just going to add that in. And I'm going to get some crushed chili actually to go in there, just a little bit, not too much. And then I'm going to put some chili powder, atagigu, like I said last time. So that's what I'm just going to put in. I'm going to put some crushed chili in there. Don't want to make it too spicy because not everybody in my household eats spice. Not everybody in my household eats a lot of spice. Unlike me, I like to eat a lot of spice in my food. So now I'm just going to put in the mixed herbs. So yeah, and then I'm going to mix it all up. But that's what I've put in right now. I'm just going to get the little ones. So yeah, now we mix it all up. So basically what's different in this with every other, with like normal stew and everything, is basically the green color and the fact that it's not finely blended. Like, as you can see, it's not like finely blended and everything, and you know, it's much more spicy than normal stew and all of that. But anyway, you guys, so that's all I do. I'm gonna leave it to simmer a little bit more. So guys, one of the things that I actually forgot to mention while adding all the spice and everything, and before I added like the blended pepper and everything, was that I also included iru. That's the Yoruba word for it. It's called iru, and I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing it weird because I don't know why. I'm pretty sure it's called anyways, let's leave the pronunciation to one side, but it's called iru, and it's basically locust beans. That's how I know it. That's the English word that I know for it. So it's locust beans basically, and it's just additional spice to it, and gives it this sweet aroma, and very delicious. I literally cannot wait to talk into this deliciousness that's cooking right now. But anyway, guys, so yeah, just gonna add some of the other stuff into it, for example, like all the meat and everything that I'm preparing alongside it. Basically I'm doing assorted meat and different type of meat. I'm just gonna put it in there. I've got smoked turkey, I've got gizzard, I've got normal turkey inside, so yeah, I'm just gonna put a lot of it and chuck it in there. Yeah, but you can literally put anything in there. I'm also going to put boiled egg in there. You can put fish if you want to. You can literally do anything. You can put seafood if you want to. It is literally up to you. You can decide to personalize it however you want. Basically, you can decide to make it as hot as you want, as salty as you want. Basically, it's all in your hands. Okay, that's basically what I'm trying to say here. Anyway, guys, just going to show you. So let's get back into it. So guys, I've got all this goodness of meat to go into the sauce, so I'm just going to carry it over and dump it all in there. Yeah, all that good stuff in there, and mix. I'm still going to add the egg, but I'm just waiting for the egg to finish boiling and everything, and then all of that is going to go in there. So yes, I'm gonna leave that to catch all the flavor and everything before I now add the egg and all of that. So yeah, so guys, that's all ready with the eggs and everything. So yeah, that's all ready. I'm gonna serve it up and everything and show you guys what it looks like served up on a plate. And the rice is also ready. So yeah, so guys, here's it served up.